Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to make a 2D diagram of a given question. So we have the question of base 60 diameter, a cone with the height 70, and now go to new. There we have to select normal draft. So here we have to set up the page. So right click, then sheet setup. There we have to give A4 sheets, then that untick the show background, then OK or save as default. Then OK. Now fit it. So we have the another we have question of doing a 60 diameter base diameter of a cone with the 70-meter height. So I'm making a line of thickness 0.35 mm. Then it should be a continuous line. Right click. Now give axis fonts. It is X. It should be in 5 mm. Then again click here X, and it is Y. And this should be VP and HP. Now we have to make a diameter circle of diameter 60. Now write a 60 here, 60 mm here. Enter. Now plot it here. The thickness of this circle must be 50. Now put axis for this. The thickness of this line should be 0.25 mm because it is cone. Now here we have to make a 45-degree axis. -45 degree. And again back. Straight to this and this. Now give the name for it. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. This should be and now draw a line to the axis. The thickness of that line is 0.25 mm and it should be dotted line. Anything after the continuous line. This it should be must visible. The given name is must be visible one. So I'm moving to this. Next, draw a 70 mm line with the thickness 0.50 mm. 70 and 90 degree. Sorry, it should be in a continuous line. sorry, it is should be in dotted line, and thickness is 0.35 because it is cone, not a hexagonal cone. It is a just circular cone. So 0.25 mm thickness line. Then join the lines. Shit. Continuous line, 0.50 thickness, continuous line. Now again a dotted line with the 0.25 mm thickness. Now give the name for this. This center should be O. Then here it should be O dash, and this is, sorry, A dash, and there should be B dash square bracket H dash, then this is C dash with the square bracket G dash, and this is D dash with square bracket F dash, and now it is A dash. The naming should be in visible one, so move it according to your diagram and position. And now give the dimensions. This, sorry, to give this, the radius, sorry, diameter is 60, and the length of this is 70. In question, they have given you have to cut the cone in 40 mm with 45 degrees. So go to the draft. Here, take a line with 50 mm thickness. It won't matter that continuous or non-continuous. Then select the point, draw 40 mm line and 90 degrees. Right click. Now from that you should draw a line of 45-degree angle, and it should touch this axis. This should be minus 45 degree, 45. So touch this line. And now check it is 45 degree or what. It is 45 degree. Now draw the continuous line until this should be cut there. Right click. Now split the lines, this line at this point and this line at this point. Now change the thickness of this line 0.25 and this is 0.25. Now this should be deleted. Delete. And now this line should be a thickness of 0.25. And again, we have to split this also. Make this line thickness of 0.50 and it should be continuous. And this is 0.50 with continuous line. Now check the distance between this point and this point. 40. Now we made a cutted cone. Now we have to draw this line to this space. So plot the line with the second continuous line, non-continuous line with the 0.25. Now from this to this, and now this till here. From here to here, it should be intersect, and from here also. Here. Now give the names for that. This is 1 dash, two dash of this one, and it should be dash, and 3 dash, 4 dash, and 5 dash. And now this one here only, square bracket, edit here only. Square bracket 6 dash, it is 7 dash with the square bracket, sorry, 7 dash, extend this line, this is square bracket 8 dash. Now we have to name here also. It is 1, 2, 3, sorry, it's here. Here it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this intersection point is 8. But we don't know the points here, so making use of this one, the distance between this point and here. So draw a line, this to a straight line, it is 12 point, the dimension of this line is 12.86. So make a curve of radius 12.86. Cut the line 12.86 here to here, and again 12.86, 12.86. So we have intersection points. Now join the lines, zoom it, join the lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry guys, here I made a mistake. The entire line should be thickness of 50 mm, 50, and the continuous line. To be careful while joining the lines. Check that is the end point and all. 5, 6, this is 7, and this is 8, intersection point 8, and in 1. Keep this 7 near to the point, and 3 also near to that point. Now we have to make this line into curve. So convert to curve, click on that lines. Now that line is converted into curve. Make a curve shape because it is a cone. It is not exactly the cone curve, but we have to make like this. And now again we have to plot same in this also, this region also, because they asked the actual view of this. So draw this axis according to this line. So delete this. Sorry, I this line. So, okay. Now draw a line with the continuous line with the 0.35 axis, same as this line. It should be 45° according to this cutting line. Sorry. Make it move it to the down. Because we need more space here to draw that. $135 angle, and according to you how much you needed that length. Now make the lines according to this one. It is non-continuous line and the thickness of 0.25. The angle should be 45 degree. It is in 45 degree. And this intersection position, this end point, I will zoom it. Guys, see this line. You have to draw from here and 45 degree. Oh, sorry. And now from here, and again from this point, 45 degree. Now, according to the distance from this axis to this points, we have to draw the line from here to here, the distance. So, measure the distance between the axis and this point is 41.36. So, draw the line from here. It is 1. So, the angle should be 45 degree, and we have here 41.36. So right there 41.36. You got the line. Now again from here, delete this, and again you have to see the distance between from this axis to this point. It is 34.38, and again you have to see the distance between here, sorry, not here, the distance between this point and this end point. It is 13.95, and draw that there. Angle should be 45 degree, and the first length is 34.38, 34.38, and now again you have to make an angle of 45 degree with the length 13.95. So you have 2 points here, one is here and one is here. So now again check the dimensions here. The dimensions from this axis to this point and this point, sorry, again you have to click there, and this point to this point. It is a 25.7. Now draw. The angle should be 45 degree. First length is 28.5, 28.5, and next again degree is 45, and of length 25.72, 25.72. You have made it. Now again Check the dimensions. From this axis to this, and again this click here, and again from this point to this end point. Now draw the lines. The angle must be 45 degree and the length is 28.32, and now again angle is 45 degree, then 26.09, and only one we have left. Delete it. And now again line, sorry, dimensions we have to see from this axis to this line. It is 41.36. .45 degree and 41.36, 41.36. Yeah, now we have the lines with points. Next, join the lines with the thickness is 0.50 and it should be continuous line. So one here and one, I will zoom it here. You can see briefly. And another one here. Then we are here. The joining point is here. Yes. Guys, we have made 95%. Then we have to convert this line into curves. So go to convert it to curve, select the lines, entire line. I think this is sorry, converted. So stick to the lines, make it a slight curves. We are converted. Now we have to make it its curve. This joint should be in a curved position, so I'm adjusting that. And here also. Now name it. Again, here a double dash and one dash, then double dash, dash, dash. Yes. Now two double dash, three double dash, four double dash, five double dash. So, like this, double dash, six double dash, seven double dash, and eight double dash. This is the answer for that question. So, thank you guys.